In this video we're going to show you this particular device, how you're going to mount all the components when you first get it. And number two, we're going to show you as well, once we're here, the components that you're getting with it. So we have this assembled, that is a unit that we've used for demonstration. We have this assembled and we just put all the accessories together. It's not exactly the way you're going to get it, but it's roughly the way you're going to get it. We make sure in here that we're going to show you all the accessories. So first of all, when you get it, you have the unit, and it's completely empty inside. So you have to fill the unit with water. Normally it comes with two caps. This is the water inlet, overflow and outlet, and it's going to come marked. We haven't marked it yet, so it's going to be the CE marks and so on in this unit when you get it. Now, we're going to show you the accessories. Right now, let's assume there's no water in it, so the first step you're going to do is add water into the system. There's a video on where we're showing you exactly how to do it, so we're going to skip on that. We're going to show you the accessories first. So, the first thing you've got to do is mount these two bits, and this is the first accessory that you're going to take care of. It's the first one because this is where you're going to get the probes on. So you have to get it. So I've unscrewed that. I'm going to screw this bit in, and once I screw it in, see whether I get it right myself. Then I place this one on top, this board on top. I slide this through the hole and start screwing it in up until it's completely screwed in. Don't have to tighten it in too hard, just a little bit, just to make sure that it doesn't move too much. That's it. So these two slots are for the so-called Elight, if I remember well, 520 nanometer, and this one is for the hair removal, 640 nanometer, if I remember well. This one is for the laser, the Qswitched laser, 300 watt or 500 watt, depending on the option you've chosen, and the RF unit in here. So we're going to go ahead and showing you these pieces here. Now, we're going to show you first of all these accessories. This is for the YAG laser. So you've got this is, if I remember well, the yes, I can't quite remember. It's the 1040. This is the 1040, and the 540, if I remember well. They're normally marked, but they're here. So you've got the three heads, and in here you've got the YAG laser. So we're going to actually plug it in. So it's the Qswitched laser. So what we're going to do is, just for an exercise, we're going to mount this particular head here. This one, we're going to mount it in there, just so we're going to show it to you. That's really it. And we're going to put it in place. First of all, I'm going to slide it in there. See that it goes in, and it goes in. And then I'm going to go into the laser, the YAG laser in there. So see whether I can actually slide it in properly. See whether I get it right. Is actually, see if I remember or not. It's this way. Okay, there you have it. And that's it. It slides right in. It clicked, so it's okay. Then we're going to go into this other accessory. It's just the pedal. It's not essential for anything else other than the YAG laser or the Qswitched laser, which is better to be called the Qswitched laser. And this there. Then, so just the mic is gone. Yes. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to look at the other accessories one by one. And we have the RF head in there. So we're going to do We're gonna place it, put it in place in here, first of all, and then we're gonna plug it in as like the other ones. That's it. Also make that sound. So I've got to make sure that this actually slides in really well, and it actually hasn't yet. That's it. So it's there completely flush, so it's completely plugged in. And then we're going to go into the other one. The next one is the Elight, which is for beauty, for skin beauty rejuvenation. I'm going to put it in place. Actually, to be better placed, this should be placed that way, so that the button is not pressed automatically. And I've got Elight there, so I've got to coincide with that. So just going to slide it in again. That's it. It clicked perfectly. That's gone. And the next one is the hair removal. So I'm going to put it in place there, and make sure when you place it there, say for example this button is pressed, this button is pressed here, so make sure that is not, so place it in a way that is not. Say for example in here it's actually not pressed. For example, if I place it that way, it's not pressed. So when then you switch it on, make sure that is not automatically pressed. There's a common problem that we get with this unit once you place them in the holder. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and place this one into this socket. And as you see, once we're talking about the socket, we've got different plugs, and one is for here. We've got the water inlet and outlet for the refrigeration unit of this unit. So I'm going to slide it in, and it clicks perfectly. And check that it's flush. Make sure that it's flush. Yes, and it's flush now. Although it hasn't clicked, it's flush and it's correct. If it's actually not mounted properly, you get an alarm sound in the device. So all the heads are mounted properly. Now what we're going to do, we're going to look for ERF heads, because we've got 3. See whether I'll find them. Oh, they're here. We've got 3 heads. The radio frequency heads. This one is the smallest one. Then we have medium and largest. So this is the body, face and eye area. So we're gonna place the medium one. See if I remember how to place it. So I have to unscrew that. I'll unscrew the head. And then I'm going to place it in that way. I'll screw it back in. Make sure that plays in it alright. So see that groove in there has got to coincide with this one. Now screw it back in. Slowly. Make sure that the threads are not make sure. Screwing it in, 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 up until it's completely tight. Then it's completely tight. Almost there, almost there. Yeah. Just make sure it's completely tight. And there it's completely mounted now. So you've got the 4 accessories here. It's completely mounted, and this is about the whole unit. Let's have a look if we forget about any other accessories. We've got protective glasses in here. We've got the laser glasses as well in here. Laser protection glasses in there. And you've got the keys, which you're going to use at the front of the unit. Place it there, and once you plug it in, you switch it on, and then the unit comes on automatically. So we hope that you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you very much for watching.